In this Montessori exercise, we will be sorting different objects and materials. The purpose is to visually categorize the objects so that the child learns to group items with similar properties. Sorting is a great way to promote hand-eye coordination. The size of the materials we are going to use depends on the age of the child. And we recommend the following: 12 months to 18 months, black socks and white socks; 19 months to 3 years, multiple fruits, animals, or medium plastic figures; 3 years to 5 years, beans of different types. Now, this exercise should be supervised at all times to prevent the little ones from putting objects in their mouths. We will use a snack tray with at least 4 compartments. In the central bowl where the dip would be, we will put objects of different types. Since there are 4 compartments, we'll want to use 4 different types of objects. In this case, we will be using colored pom-poms. We will explain to the child that each type of object should go in its own compartment. With us today to help us demonstrate this is Gia. Show them how to place each pom-pom in its corresponding compartment. Can you put it right here? Okay. What in here looks like this? Good job. Pick that one up and put it here. Can you find one in there that looks like that? Good job. Okay, Gia, can you find one in there that looks like this? Very good. Good job. Once you have placed all the objects into compartments, return them all back to the center. Do the exercise in its entirety so that the child understands the concept. To teach discipline and order, make sure that at the end of the exercise, the child returns all materials to their proper place. You can change the objects so that the child feels like he or she is doing a new exercise.